Well, it's February in Michigan, and we had a warm-up. All the snow's melted, a lot of flooding. It rained all day yesterday, all last night, still raining today. They said that if this was snow, it would have been 40 inches of snow. So it's been quite a bit of rain. Here's a sump pump system. This is an outdoor sump pump that we put in last year. Basically, we ran a French drain to the outdoor sump pump basin, and when it reaches a certain height, the water, it then turns on the sump pump, and as you can see, the water is injected over the seawall out into the waterway. This is an outdoor sump pump installation. We use a really heavy cast iron lid over our sump pump basins for safety. You can see we need power to run that pump, and in this case this one was a little shallower than I like, but because of the tiebacks on the seawall, so what I did is basically put a heating element so that this doesn't freeze up in the winter. The French drain runs, you can't even tell. We were here late last year, October. We actually put seed down, and it popped a little bit before winter came. It's starting to come in already. And then we did an open French drain down the side of the house. Our concerns were this: water was lying along the house, and this was a breeding ground for mold. It wasn't just protecting the property that we were concerned with. It was the health of the family inside this home. Mold, the threat of mold cannot be taken lightly. It can't. I see situations where people are in and out of the doctors, they have respiratory issues, the family's sick, and this goes on for years, and they have no ideas because of the water that collects in the backyard, the poor drainage, the mold buildup. You can open the windows thinking you're getting fresh air, and you can smell the mold. So to protect your property and your health, a good French drain system, and if you can't get the water out, so then you go to an outdoor sump pump and inject it. The backyard is higher than the side of the house, as well as the front yard, so the water lies trapped. You can inject it in a waterway, a ditch. If I run 100 appointments, I usually can take the water somewhere 99 out of 100 times. There's that rare case where you're really stuck on an island and you don't have much options as far as French drains go and these outdoor sump pump installations. But more than likely, if you give me a call, you're going to be in that 99%. We're going to be able to help you. We're going to be able to protect your property, and we're going to be able to protect your health. For all your outdoor yard water solutions, give us a call.